Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Whop Payments. To begin, open the Whop dashboard in your browser. This is the main area where you manage your business settings, products, and account tools. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct business account if you manage more than one. Starting from the dashboard helps ensure you're making payment changes in the right place. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains the core configuration options for your account, including business details, integrations, and payment-related tools. If you're new to the platform, it's a good idea to move slowly here so you can get familiar with the layout. Settings is essentially the control center for your account. After that, click on Payments. This will take you to the area where payment methods and payout setup are managed. In this section, you're preparing the account so you can receive payments correctly through Whop. Make sure you're paying attention to any notices or prompts on the screen, since payment setup often includes important compliance or verification requirements. Once you're in the Payments section, select the sample payment option and click on it. This step takes you into the payment setup flow. Depending on your account status or region, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Opening the payment setup option so you can continue configuring how your account receives funds. If you don't see the exact same label, look for the payment option that matches the setup example shown on screen. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. This part may include entering business information, confirming account details, or reviewing payout preferences. Be sure to read each screen carefully and complete every required field accurately. Payment setup is one of those areas where small mistakes can delay approval or payouts, so it's worth taking an extra moment to double-check what you enter before moving forward. As you complete the process, keep an eye out for confirmation messages, verification requests, or any final review screens. If the platform asks for additional documentation or validation, just continue through the prompts as instructed. Once everything is submitted, your payment setup should be in progress or fully completed, depending on the requirements for your account. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of setting up Whop Payments. If needed, you can always return to the Payments section later to review your status or update details.